Age Connects provides an array of services for people aged 50 plus living throughout Torfaen. This can range from dementia services, befriending services, lunch clubs, home services to enable people to live independent in their home for longer. And then we also do lots of different services for carers now, as they do an incredible role to support their loved ones. There is a stereotype with older people that unfortunately they lack digital confidence, and we felt that we wanted to change this narrative and help them. Lots of services, GP services, ordering your prescription is all going online, and there's nobody really there to help older people with their digital confidence, and they're very scared about this new online service. Digital Communities Wales has helped us in such a massive way. Firstly, it's provided us with training for our staff, which then we've cascaded onto our volunteers to develop digital champions. Our digital champions now run a weekly IT class, so we wouldn't have been able to access that training if it hadn't been for them. And then we've had a wonderful project which we ran with Digital Communities Wales called the Playlists for Life. So this was all about creating a bespoke playlist, a musical playlist of songs for a person living with dementia. Digital Community Wales gave us MP3 players, a splitter and headphones. These were gifted then to the individuals so that they could be used in the home, and perhaps during sundowning, or if that individual is a little bit anxious at home, then the carer could put on this playlist, put that individual with their music, with their thoughts, and they could just have that relaxed time. We found that older people are really excited about getting engaged with digital technology. They perhaps are seeing their grandchildren using phones, so it's great that we can show them how they can safely use technology and that it won't harm them. Within our area, our Digital Communities Wales officer has been really proactive and innovative. So when I've gone to her with an idea, she's embraced it and she's thought, oh yeah, that might work. They might have been off the wall at times, and she's mirrored that with the support that she's given us.
We've worked with Age Connects Torfaen over many years and supported them in lots of different ways. It's often the simple things that are the most effective. Lots of people, particularly older people, they've got a smartphone. They have no idea of its capabilities. Just showing somebody how to make the text bigger on their phone can make a massive difference to somebody who's got a sight impairment. I've worked closely with Emma over a number of years, and they've always been very receptive and very open to introducing technology. And that's often when it works the best, when you come across somebody who really gets it and really understands the impact that technology can make. But it's those people who stand to gain the most are least likely to be online. And that's where we sort of come in, and that partnership with organisations such as Age Connects is really important. You know, everything has moved online. So if you can't do that, you are excluded, and it brings in lots more inequalities. Coming into Widdershins is brilliant. There's always a lovely atmosphere, and you always see people really having a good time, whether they're singing, whether they're using technology, whether they're having lunch. It's really heartwarming to see that, you know, people, whether they're living with dementia, whether they're older people, that there is still stuff out there that they can enjoy. And I think sometimes we forget that.